What's up everybody, welcome to Money Management channel. My name is Andrei and today I'm gonna be doing an update on crypto.com coin. And in today's video, first of all, I will show you where we are on the price chart and how we get there. Then I will continue with the fundamental news that might drive the price of this coin. And at the end of this video, I will share my thoughts and my technical analysis. And I will show you what should we expect next. So let's start with the price chart. I made my previous video right here, somewhere at this point, and I've told you that if you want to catch the trade, the movement to the upside, you have to accumulate your position at this very point, but you have to put your stop loss slightly below or at this very range. It is our support of swing low. And from this point we hit basically this stop loss order. And it might be up to 6 to 7% of potential losses, and it is totally okay. You have to put your stop loss in order to protect your capital. And also I've told you that if I switch to weekly time frame, and let me clean the chart a little bit, let me show you that right here we had a very ugly candle, and it is a bearish candle. This is a shooting star, and usually this candle shows us the trend reversal. And as you can see, the trend reversal happened. We went lower, and on top of that, we slightly unloaded the RSI level, and we are still on the overbought territory, but we are closer to border in between neutral and overbought territory. This means for now we have more room to grow, but I have to say that we are not out of the woods. So I will share my thoughts and my technical analysis in just several minutes, and for now let's continue with the total sentiment for the crypto market. And for now we are sitting at the total market cap of $2.29 trillion. It is a 5.45% decrease over the last day. And yesterday we had a huge, massive sell-off of Bitcoin, and Bitcoin lost about 7% for now because it has a bounce. And it hit the range of roughly $43,000 per coin, and it lost during last 7 days about 9.23%. Ethereum is quite bullish, I have to say. It lost not more than 1% during last session, during last 24 hours, and it is still up by 2.25% over the last week. And in my opinion, it is one of the strongest coins for now on the market among top 10 coins. And it is a very, very good sign. So let's continue with crypto.com numbers. And for now it has $15.18 billion of total market cap. It's down for 2.72%. And it has total tradable volume during last 24 hours at the level of $661.48 million. And it's up for 46.84%. So I have to say that increase in volume right after this sell-off is quite bullish sign, but we still have to be very cautious. And let me show you that if I switch to news tab folder on coinmarketcap.com, and we don't have recent news directly related to crypto.com coin. And this means we have to be cautious, and this means we don't have any news, any recent news at all. And that's why we have to rely on the total sentiment for entire crypto industry. And the driver of the entire crypto market for now is Bitcoin, as always, I have to say. And let me show you that the recent Bitcoin price action was made by this news. And we are on cnbc.com, and this article was published on December the 4th, and it's titled Bitcoin loses $10,000 or 17% in 24 hours after overnight rout. And the key points are: Bitcoin prices dropped sharply Saturday early morning hours Eastern Time, plunging to a low near $43,000 before rebounding some. The crypto lost about $10,000 or more than 17% in a 24-hour period from Friday to Saturday. The price of Ether dived as well, falling as low as $3,500 on Saturday. Bitcoin was at around $57,000 Friday morning before it began falling as stocks sold off on Wall Street. And this is the main reason why Bitcoin falls. We have a lot of fear, a lot of doubts, a lot of uncertainties on the stock market. And we have two major catalysts for now for the stock market. One of them is Omicron variant of COVID-19 virus, and it has a huge impact on the entire stock market. And second one is the process of tapering, and we have a lot of doubts from Federal Reserve related to entire stock market, and this means we can see further sell-off on stock market, and this will lead to potential lower price points for Bitcoin, and this will lead to another sell-off for entire crypto industry, and that's why we have to be cautious. So, and let's continue with the technical analysis, but before we dive deep right here, please subscribe to my channel, hit notification bell and hit the like button. This helps me a lot. So guys, let's switch to hourly time frame, and let me show you this. As you can see right here, let me turn on the drawing tools. As you can see right here, we broke this support line, and this support line is our swing low, and it was our stop loss order. And as you can see, we went lower, and then we retested this range from the bottom, and this movement to the upside is very technical, and usually we have to have a bounce in order to confirm our downtrend, or we have to break it to the upside and close the candle above this range, and this price action will confirm that we remain bullish. But in this case, as you can see, we have this very bullish candle with a huge volume. It is a hammer candle, and this means we might have a trend reversal, and this trend reversal happened. We went higher, we hit again this resistance line and went lower with the good volume. As you can see, the volume was very high compared to these two volumes, and this means we might hit some lower targets. So let me show you bigger picture, and for now I have to say that I have some doubts about this count, because in my opinion, this movement from this bottom to this one, probably it is not the fifth wave and extension in the fifth wave. Instead of this, we might have a slightly different count, and this count might be following. As you can see, we have this huge volume on this internal third wave, and this means the entire movement from this bottom to this one might be our internal third wave as well, and this means we have the count on a slightly bigger scale like this. I have to delete this one, and I have to make this count. This might be our first wave, this might be our second, and this entire movement might be our third, fourth and fifth. And we also didn't finish the fifth wave, because we have to have one more leg to the upside, but for now we have this as our top, and this means we might have a truncated fifth wave, and we might have this wave as our failed wave. So let me clean the chart a little bit, we don't need unnecessary tools. And if this is the real case, and if we form all 5 wave structure, we potentially might have a retracement from the entire movement, from this bottom to this top. And to project this retracement, I pull the Fibonacci retracement tool from this bottom to this very top. And what do we have here? Let me show you more thoroughly. As you can see, we hit with this first leg to the downside our 0.382 Fibonacci retracement level, and had a good bounce to the upside. And this shows that we have proper measurement of the entire movement. But then we broke this range and we went lower, and we broke as well the 0.5 Fibonacci retracement level. It is a price point of 55.24 cents, and we didn't hit our golden pocket. This means we are in the middle of nowhere. We have to have several key points in order to project next movement to the upside or to the downside. And I have to say that for now we have our main count like this. This is our A wave, this is our B, and this is our C. But C wave has to have a shape of 5 wave structure. And for now we have only, let me show you, this is our first wave, this is our second, third, fourth, and probably we have to have one more leg to the downside. And if I'm right, and if we will break this previous bottom, this will indicate that we might land at golden pocket at this range, and this level might be your potential accumulation point for the long-term investment. And If we will hit this range in a matter of several days, I will do another update and I will project some targets from the investor's standpoint. So, and if you like my video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel with notification bell, and see you guys and girls next time. Bye!